Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, I want to listen about you something. So, tell me, how do you learn English? When I started my English journey in 2024, I decided to learn English alone with me. I had nothing. I had no mobile phone. I have no social media to learn English. So I started from one notebook and one pen. It helped me a lot. It gave me lots of support, and today I can speak confidently. I don't know how I am speaking, but inside me, having a lot of confidence to speak. I am learning English constantly. It takes time, but I will become fluent in English. I had dream that I should speak English confidently. So today I am here to tell you how should you start practice English, because when I started my English I was alone. I had nothing to tell me, to guide me how to start English speaking. I had no any grammar knowledge, how to connect the sentence, how to frame that sentence. But when I started my learning journey in 2024, I kept going forward, and today I am here in front of you, and now you can see how big I achieved the change in my life. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Your one like will give me more motivation to make another new videos.